What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Break NL, getting ready for our 5-box National Treasure mixer today. One box National Treasures, the rest are mixer boxes. We're live. Good luck. Teams are coming at you right now. It is 223, and here's your list. Adam to Clay, Anaheim to Winnipeg. Good luck, folks. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Timestamp on 3. 224. 224. And last and final. Last and final timestamp. It is 224 and 224. Arizona, top spot. Chicago at the halfway mark. And Winnipeg to San Jose. There's teams. Let's match up some names. It is 224 still, and we got Adam down to Clay. Good luck. 1, 2, 3 is the timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is at 224. 224 it is. Last and final. Fourth timestamp is at 225, and 225 it is. Jarvis, top spot, down to Les, halfway. And Tony, down to PJ. Alright, folks, here's your teams. We'll post them in the comments. We'll see you in an hour and a half for this one. Good luck with it.